Stop. Look at the date. It is January 2026. We are living in the future, yet you are still fighting the same ghosts from the past. Think back to 2016. You said, "This is my year." You said the same thing in 2020 and 2025. Why does this loop never end? Is it because you are lazy? Is it because you lack grit? Bullshit. It's because you're trying to run a quantum computer with an abacus. You rely on willpower. But in 2026, relying on willpower is like trying to connect to the internet with a dial-up modem. The algorithms in this phone, they are smarter than your willpower. They are designed to crush you. But here's the part that will make you angry. You didn't fail. You were programmed to fail. Welcome to the glitch in the matrix. Today, I'm not giving you motivation. Motivation is unreliable. It spikes, then collapses. Systems don't. I am giving you a system patch, an upgrade for your gray matter. Phase 1, the audit. You cannot fix what you do not measure. Open your Google Photos, open your calendar from last year. Don't look for the big wins. Look for the micro anomalies. The tiny moments where you actually succeeded, even for a week. Did you go to the gym for 3 weeks and then quit? Most people see the quit. I see the 3 weeks. That is data. That is a successful beta test. Why did it work for those 3 weeks? And don't let anyone sell you the 21-day habit myth. A real-world habit study tracked people for 12 weeks and found the median was about 66 days. We are going to reverse engineer your success code. Did you finish one book? Why? Because you had it in your bag? Or because you turned off your phone? This is not about feeling good. It is about data mining your own life. Treat your past year like a crime scene. You are the detective looking for clues. The clues are hidden in the mundane. The morning coffee, the running shoes, the silent mode. Now that we have the data, we apply the 4 laws of hacking. These are not suggestions, they are physics. Law number 1, environment design. Friction is your god. If you want to stop scrolling at night, move your charger to the kitchen. Increase the friction. If you want to run, put your shoes on your pillow. Decrease the friction. It sounds stupid, but your brain is lazy. It follows the path of least resistance. Law number 2, habit stacking, James Clear's framework. Do not build from scratch. Attach the new code to the old code. After I pour coffee, I open my journal. You are hitchhiking on a habit that already exists. Law number 3, the 2-minute rule, again from Atomic Habits. Lower your standards, start tiny. Your goal is not to run 5 miles. Your goal is to tie your shoelaces. Master the entry point, the rest will follow. But the 4th law, this is where the dopamine dealers get rich and you stay poor. Law number 4, immediate reward. This is the code that runs the world. Your brain does not care about your future self in 2030. It cares about now. Silicon Valley engineers know this. Their products are optimized for engagement, clicks, watch time, endless scroll. Even YouTube's own recommendation research explicitly trains ranking on expected watch time. It is time to steal their playbook. We are going to wire that addiction into your goals. When you finish a task, reward yourself immediately. Not tomorrow. Make the feedback loop instant. Behavioral science is blunt about this. Stop believing in passion. Passion is for amateurs. You need to become an addict. High performers aren't magically disciplined. They're addicted to proof, evidence of progress. Hack your biology so that working out gives you the same hit as scrolling TikTok. Ask yourself, what is your cheap dopamine? Sugar? Likes? Porn? Gaming? Admit it in the comments. Expose your enemy. Accountability is a weapon. Now that you have the 4 laws, let's go back to the crime scene. Your past year. Look at that one tiny success you found earlier. Maybe you read books for 2 weeks straight. Don't just pat yourself on the back. Dissect it. Why did you survive those 14 days? Was it the time? Did you read at 7 a.m. before your brain woke up? Was it the location? Did you hide in a cafe where you couldn't lie down? Was it social pressure? Did you promise a friend you would do it? You were looking for your source code. The specific conditions that make you function. Maybe you realize, oh, I only run when I have a partner. I only focus when the sun goes down. Stop copying the morning routine of a billionaire if you are biologically a night owl. That is suicide. Fit the system to you, not you to the system. Write down your winning formula. This is more valuable than any degree you have. Now, phase 3, the selection. This is where most people crash and burn. You have 10 things you want to change. Diet, coding, English, saving money, dating. You try to juggle them all, and you drop them all. I'm going to force you to pick one, just one. Imagine it is December 31st, 2026. You have perfected this one habit. Which habit is the lead domino? The one that knocks down all the others? If you exercise, you sleep better. If you sleep better, you focus better. If you focus, you make money. Find your captain habit, ignore the rest. Sniper focus, one shot, one kill. But knowing is not enough. You need to execute. When? Right now, before the motivation leaves your body. Why choose only one? Why not change your whole life at once? Because your brain is a survival machine, not a productivity machine. If you change too much, it pulls the emergency brake. It will snap you back to your old default self before you even notice. That's homeostasis, your brain defending its comfort zone. You need a captain habit, the single habit that commands the others. Identify the lead domino. If you knock this one down, the rest fall automatically. For me, it was exercise. Exercise fixed my sleep. Sleep fixed my focus. Focus fixed my bank account. Stop trying to fix the symptoms. Fix the source, find your captain. Now, here's the uncomfortable truth. You know what to do, but you are going to say, tomorrow. Tomorrow is a lie. Tomorrow is the graveyard of dreams. The moment you say start tomorrow, your odds plummet. Your motivation is at its peak right now. This second, it is leaking as we speak. Don't think. Thinking is the enemy of execution. Just put on your shoes. Just open the book. Just write one line of code. You have the data, you have the audit, you have the laws. Ignite the engine. Once you get into orbit, gravity disappears. It becomes automatic. It becomes who you are, not what you do. That is when you add the second habit, then the third. People overestimate what they can do in a day, but underestimate the miracle of a year. A year from now, you could be unrecognizable. Or you could be exactly here, watching another video. The choice is not in the future, it is in the next 5 seconds. Stop looking for a savior, stop looking for me to fix you. The answer is in your own history, in your own micro wins. Trust your data, trust your struggle, execute the patch. I want to know, what is your captain habit? Declare it in the comments, not for me, but for yourself. Make it a contract. Once you type it, it becomes real. Don't let this be just another dopamine hit. Go. Start now.